Hi, Unified Arts students. It's Miss Val. I hope you guys are doing well. I just want to talk through a little bit about your Friday work. Today is a great opportunity for you to share what you've been up to this week, what activities, what creative things you've been making, playing with, exploring, um, anything from cooking to doing one of our activities that I shared with you as an option earlier in the week. Now's the time to add that into the form and just let me know what you've been up to. So again, Friday work, you're going to click on that Google form and you're going to fill it out. If you do feel like you want a reminder of the activities, feel free to scroll down. Here, I'll just click on Thursday, yesterday's assignment, and it'll have all those things posted there for you. So if you need to get a little reminder of what those activities were, just go back to Thursday, or you could go back to Tuesday. It's posted multiple times throughout the week. All right, before today, we are going to fill out that Google form. Again, 420 to 424, that's this week. First and last name. Give you an opportunity to upload a file. Could be a document, video, photographs, anything. You can upload it right there. And then I have an opportunity for you to check off what you've done for activities. Google Arts and Culture, Lunch Doodles with Mo Willems, the April Art Pack, Art of Play activity, and others. So you can select more than one option if that applies, or just one. Or if you did something very unique, you can fill out other. And any particular feedback you want to make me aware of, you can do so. Make sure you hit send and you deliver that awesome bit of information to me. That is your work for today. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Rest up. Get ready for a fresh Monday. The weather is getting warmer. Yay! And yeah, have a lot of fun this weekend. I miss you guys.